top of the hierarchy. Today's session will help us with meeting industry leaders to hear trends, opportunities, and what recruiters really want, be industry ready, and learn how to bridge the gap between campus to corporate, explore next generation skills, especially in the AI era, and discover how smoothly transition from student life to professional life. Before we begin, we request our director, sir, Professor Dr. N.C. Ghosh, sir, to come up.
Ready for the market. What are the strategies? What are the special things are required for the people to become industry ready?
Touch. The human touch you are getting here from your teachers, from Baponda, and the friends here, starting from all levels, you will miss in the industry. That's the first learning I can share with you. So enjoy this moment, be born. Couldn't explain because he was using LLM, jargons, whatever technical knowledge, right? And then he was not selected. Why? Because today's recruiter doesn't need only the technology or the academic skills. They need how that impacts the business. And they couldn't explain to a simple admin or a peon outside how they will explain the industry. One understood, who is at the industry level question, nobody asked him in the college. So the problem statement is that knowing AI is not the only live example about the people in the room. Okay. I called this guy called Atandra. He's his wife is also from BIT. Subject the issue. But I said, Atandra, can you come? He came. Second example, Bakshi. He was in the hospital just 3 hours back. 3 hours back, he came. Bala was in Malaysia, and this program was planned for 28. I heard some of the BCA, BBA guys had a event on 28, right? And it has to be moved to 29 at the last moment. DB sir told me. He extended his stay, right? Why? Shaumandu's son is ill for last how many days? 21 days. He still came today. Why? We are under condition.